So how many people left? Okay, today lesser. Today lesser people left me today. Thank you very much for staying along. Okay, today 17th of June, okay, 2025, crazy revision with Cal, 16th June market, which is DEX. All right. So yesterday, I think that maybe you heard my message about staying on to listen because it's very important for you guys. All right. Now, someone asked this question. I think during last week, all right, during our little trip to KL, is that Cal, you see, other students, other schools have this signal for buy, signal for sell. Then why your signal is not only going buy? So if you say that, right, that means that you still didn't understand the logic behind the one line rule. Okay, which means that one line is that I put it very simple, just for sharing itself. I think that this Chinese saying 一念天堂,一念地狱. You understand? One line. So basically what I'm trying to explain is that, right? When you buy something and if it's correct, it goes up, right? But you buy something, it goes down and it's wrong, right? So in the market itself, right, prefer to buy over sell because you can see market in general is a buy uptrend. Then therefore, right, as long as I'm here to make money from the market by trading, I just have to focus on one thing: is that if the boys are supposed to make everything perfect, like they bring it price down, then they recover it itself, then it's a buy condition. Then if I buy and they buy, then all go up. Fine. That's why the blue diamond is there. Then after that, the four diamonds are there is because of the KSI, the coloration, right? It has to be all there. Then it will have the four diamonds. Okay. So now the thing is this. If everything's supposed to be buy and yet the price comes down, that means that the market is weak. And then all I need to do is just sell the market. So you see, rather than focusing on buy low, sell high, buy the lowest point, sell the highest point, which I think that is not really applicable, why don't just concentrate on making money? My objective is to try to make money from the market. I don't care whether market is a buy or a sell, as long as I just go in to make my money, I'm done. All right. So let's go into the revision right now to understand how do we do this itself. Yep. Okay. You can see my template, right? Can see, right, Susan? Yeah, okay, let's go. All right, so let's go into the chart for today for the DEX right now. By the way, Dow is trading lower. Dow is trading at 42,293. Yeah, I told you today we'll go down to 42,034. Yeah, you see, sometimes I'm very confident in certain things itself. Let's see why. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at the the DEX yesterday. The DEX opened at 23,475. Now it's quite crazy, that DEX was trading like 15,000, 16,000 just last year. This year, 23,000. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, the thing is this, we see the MLP is here at 23,379. So the thing is the market is bullish, right? Okay, so above OP is a buy already. Plus it's above MLP, it's a buy, right? And there's a pivot one at 23495. So confirm above OP definitely is a buy. It's a classic buy. But wait, Cal, the KSI is red. Then how do I interpret? The KCX is blue. How do I interpret? Very simple. You always look at the macro picture, micro picture, then the detail. Now, macro means like this, the 大方向. The micro picture is where you go into the market. The detail is the risk and reward management. That is how we structure the whole thing here. So from here itself, right, I can just tell anybody on my hand, I'll say this, look, okay, today above OP is a buy, period, finish. But because the KSI is red, hence therefore, every technical price takes some profit. That means that I only give myself the buy assignment, but I tell myself that every TP level must take profit. Why? Because the KSI is red, the KCX is blue. Now, if the KSI is green, the KCX is black, I'll tell you to hold the position and see KCB if it's possible. So there's very two different way of reading this. All clear? If all clear, press number 7 right now. Yeah. Because this something is that I kind of realized that I keep on repeating this, and there's still students still couldn't understand this pretty well. In fact, they're still doing the same thing, is that they get confused altogether. They say, oh, KSI rate, I must sell. Wrong. That's not the way. Okay, so that is the macro picture. Let's go to the micro picture. Micro means how you will trade during the day. Okay, let's go into it right now. We'll do it very slowly. Okay, so the start of the day, you can see very clear already. It's above OP, all right? And it's above pivot 1. No matter what you tell me, this is a buy, right? Then, of course, you ask me this question, Kel, but there's no diamond there. How to buy? A diamond is just additional information, but by default of the crazy rule itself, above OP, the bar is yellow, can buy. If you insist that there must be a diamond for your trade, oh, do you see the diamond here? That was yesterday, right? So that's why once the market above OP can buy. The first profit level is KTR plus 1 and it's done. Remember the cycle I draw always is I told you, right? The probability is 80 to 85% for KTR plus 1 or KTR minus 1. I said this many times. So you really don't need anybody to be a smart guy to really know this. You just have to follow. Above OP, you buy 80 to 85 because the macro picture allows you to buy. The macro is good. It's like above OP is a buy. We have the pivot there. We have the MLP there, the KSI there. Everything is good. KSI is red, sorry. Then everything is good. So you just have to buy. But once you hit the KTR plus 1, that is all over. Now, someone will say this, Kel, I buy very small here. So I buy very small. Then take profit also very small. Then after that, I buy very big here itself. Then the stupid market come down. Why? Yeah, you see, guys, you must understand. I tell you already. From here to go up itself, right? To the KTR plus 1 is 80 to 85%. From here to here is only 60 to 65%. Correct or not? So I told you before, right? From opening to KTR plus 1 is better. You should trade that one. Then the one should go bigger in size. If you want to add position, then add smaller position. Smaller, not bigger. Okay. And of course, you can see this very simple. You take KTR plus 1 and plus 1 and plus 2 add together. You just divide by 2. You can see that the answer is at the market stop exactly at the 50% mark. You see that? Yesterday, we talked about this as well. Yesterday, I tell you, right, that once the market cross KTR plus 1, all right, to plus 2, if your KSI happen to be red in color, if you really want to squeeze the market, squeeze under 1.5 KTR. Do you remember that itself? How many remember this? I said yesterday, please key REM right now. All right, I repeat myself. You already tell you from the macro picture that the KSI is red in color. So that means that every technical point must take profit. And I also tell you that if your market hit plus 1, you really want to squeeze the market to plus 2, then take the 1.5 itself. And you can see, I am not the only one who know this thing. Look at it. The market is crazy. Look at it. The market after that itself, right, go all the way up, hit the plus 1.1, pull back, and then go up again and touch here again. Oh my goodness, is this just coincidence? Or someone know this? That's my point, right? So only when the market start to stabilize above it, then the plus 2 get even. Okay, so that is something to take note of. So today, practice what I tell you, plus 1.5. Okay, so that one first part. Now the second part. Then we have diamonds already, right? Okay, got diamonds come out already. You just draw, just draw. New diamond come out, you just draw. So as long as the market is staying up itself, fine, no problem. But once the market breaks down and it's red candle, red KSI, okay, get out. Stop loss, just get out first. If you didn't take profit here, forget it. It's okay, cut your position first. Then no point talking, right? Then wait until you notice that a new diamond appear and then the whole thing just repeat. And this time now, you go in to buy, and this time round, the profit is given to you. You see that? So trading is not difficult as long as you follow one simple rule. Above OP, just buy. So look at it. Above OP, just buy, right? All the CCRY, 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 you buy, you're done. 3 trades, all above CCRY, color change from red to yellow, right? Can you see? Here, 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 CCRY, meaning color change from red to yellow above OP, just take the buy side. You're done. You don't need to think so complicated stuff and then like, oh, must break your head. Where's the technical point? Fibonacci, and all the stuff. Don't need. Just simple rule. Above OP, CCRY, make your money, KTR plus 1, get out. If you want to squeeze the market, plus 1.5. If you really want to squeeze the market to the maximum, plus 2, just get out, because by the time you reach plus 2, it's already at 60 to 65%. Okay? All clear? If all clear, press number 8 right now. So trading really is not about luck only. It's also about how you put your skills into it, right? All you need to do just repeat yourself and follow like a broken recorder. Although it may not be nice, it may not be exciting. It's like not like those other schools. They tell you, "Whoa, I can sell at the highest point, tip top level." If you can do that, then you should be a very, very, very rich person, really. Okay, Ken? Okay, then after that, the price come back down, and then after that, you can see the same thing again. The diamonds come out, and then you just trade accordingly, lor. All right. So as long as you trade accordingly, you can see that the market really follow, right? So until here is what happened. Let's take a look. Yeah, look here, everyone. So the last diamond is actually here. right? This guy put it here. So you notice that the market got go up, right? Go up already. Then same thing, hit about this 2.5 and pull back. But I remember tell you, right, once the market goes below the line, the bar turns red, the KSI is red, KCX is blue, the market will come back down, correct or not? So you see, once the market breaks below the line, this is above the line you buy, this is the line you sell. But if you buy, you make some money, you're out. If you sell, you make some money, you're out. So you understand? Basically, right, my diamond, very good to very useful to make money in the market as long as you just play some of the things I shared with you. Just repeat one more time. You see over here, all is good. KSI is green, KCX is black. So you can see the market go up by at least by 0.5 KTR. When it come back down and south, it breaks below the line here. You must cut your long position and you can turn short if you want to because you have the same thing now. The KSI red, KCX blue. Okay, though it's above OP. Okay, it's above OP, but still, if you want to short sell, make sure that the ring all aligned, but then take profit fast lah. Then, of course, towards the end of the day, you can see the market is not performing anymore, right? And you notice one very important sign is that the line got lower already. See, the line got lower means the market is losing strength. Yesterday, I talked about this, right? About how to use the line drawing and staggering. If the market is staggering upwards to south, the market is still bullish. But if the thing turns the other around, it's bearish. So that's why when you notice these guys, this one here and this guy here as well, right? You notice that this one is actually lower already. Of course, this one it push up, that's why it push up again. But between these two, you notice that it got lower. That's why this upside itself got limitation. And then after that, you can see the thing get lower and lower. And that's why I say that if you draw the line, you will hear and feel the market pulse itself. Okay, all clear? So that is how we will trade DEX yesterday. Not say a very straightforward day, but not too difficult. So as long as you follow the rule. So I repeat myself for those who didn't capture me, it's all right. I say about the line. If the line basically gets higher, everything is good. Okay. But once the line gets lower, that means that the market have bearish signal already. All right. And of course, when the market is selling, I love to sell. When the line gets lower, you notice that the market come down is rather easy. Okay, rather easy. So that's the reason why you can see over here, I just switch to the Dow for a short moment, let you take a look before we end the session. Okay, just give a while, that it comes to it itself. Recently, the weather in Singapore is very hot, really incredible. All right, okay, we don't have diamonds here at the moment. Okay, we haven't refreshed it. Okay. So once you see that whole chart got no diamond, means that you need to refresh your chart. Means right click and then press refresh. Oh, I'm still waiting for it to come up. Okay, can you see right now? Oh, you can see that the thing is lowering, lowering, lowering. All right, so the market is kind of weak right now, lowering stuff. But you can see a lot of green dots, right? Because of the long term and the short term MA, really. Then you can see the MLP really stopping exactly here itself. All this tells you the market is trying its best to hover and hold it. But once the market breaks MLP, I think that is where the selling will really kick in. Yeah. Okay, thanks guys for listening to me. I'll see you guys later on. I'll let you know whether do I have the Super Tuesday. Yeah. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.